Hello, today I'm telling about preposition, some types of preposition, some uses of preposition, and some examples of preposition. It is also important for exams. I hope you will like it and it will be helpful for you all. So, let's begin. Preposition. Definition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to another noun, adjective, or verb. Example, there is a cow in the field. Cow is a noun, field is a noun, in is a preposition. He is fond of tea. Tea is a noun, fond is adjective, and of is preposition. See, the cat jumped off the chair. Chair is noun, jumped is verb, and off is preposition. Prepositions are of four types. Simple preposition: at, by, for, from, in, of, on, out, through, till, to, up, and with. Compound preposition: about, across, above, along, amidst, among, around, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, besides, and between. And beyond, inside, outside, underneath, within, and without. Phrase preposition: according to, in lieu of, instead of, owing to, by dint of, in case of, etc. Next and last type of preposition: participle preposition: considering, regarding, notwithstanding, during, etc. Some uses of preposition: in and at, to and into. In and at is used for things at rest. Example: A. You was in bed till late in the morning. Here, in is a preposition. B. She stood at the end of the lane. Here, at is a preposition. To and into is used for things in motion. He ran to school. To is a preposition. The boy jumped into the river. Into is a preposition. With and by. With denotes the instrument and by denotes the agent. The letter was written by him with a pen. Here, by and with both are prepositions. The tree was cut down by him with an axe. C. The clothes were washed by her with detergent powder. Here, her is agent and detergent is instrument. Beside and besides. Beside means at the side of. Example, she came and sat beside me. Besides means in addition to. Example, there were other people besides me at the party. Between or among. Between is used when we talk of two people. Example, both of the boys shared the food between them. Among is used when more than two people are considered. Example, distribution the mangoes among the children. Since, from. Both denote time. Since is used with perfect tense, whereas from is used with non-perfect tense. Example, A. He has been ill since Monday. B. I will do the work from tomorrow. 6. Till, to. Till is used to denote time. Example, he worked till midnight. To is used to denote place. Example, he walked to the market. 7. From, of. When one substance is changed to another to produce a new substance, from is used. Example A. Flour is made from wheat. B. Butter is made from milk. When the substance is not sensed but used to make an object of is used. Example A. The table is made of wood. B. The dress is made of silk. Expression of time. At. At is used with a certain point in time or with festivals. Example A. The train leaves at 6 o'clock. B. They came home at Diwali. On. On is used for a particular day, a particular date, or a part of a day. Example, I will come on Friday. B. She was born on 17 February 1998. C. He reads daily on afternoon in a day. In. In is used for a general period of time and the time limit for completing an action. Example, we went to Shillong in the summer vacation. B. They came to live here in 1982. C. We shall be ready in a few minutes. For during. During is used to show the period of time through which an activity continues. Example A. Many people were killed during the First World War. B. Cuckoos sing during the spring season. 5. By shows the time by which something has to be done. Example, the application must reach the office by May 30th. Expression of place. In. In is used for names of countries, cities, large areas, names of roads. Example A. Her elder sister lives in USA. B. He came to study law in Guwahati. C. Camels are found in the desert. D. The office is situated in GS Road. 2. At. At is used for a small place or at the name of a particular place. Example A. He was born at a small village. B. Her father works at a public library. Now, I will give you some examples of preposition, which are important for exams. 1. He is a teacher by profession. Here, by is a preposition. 2. Let me congratulate you on the occasion. Here, on is preposition. 3. Cheese is made from milk. Here, from is preposition. 4. His house is beside or by the sea. Here, beside or by is a preposition. 5. Peter is at work now. Here, at is preposition. 6. She entered the room accompanied by her mother. Here, by is preposition. 7. My grandfather will come here in a week. 8. Can you write with this pen? Here, which is a preposition. 9. The father was anxious for or about the safety of his daughters. Here, for or about is a preposition. 10. He had to repent for what he had done. Here, for is a preposition. 11. I have invested a lot of money on farming. Here, on is preposition. 12. We are pleased at your visit. Here, at is a preposition. 13. It is dangerous to enter into the enemy's camp. Here, into is a preposition. 14. It is very nice of you to have come here. 15. He suffered from cold. 16. The war goes on here from morning till night. Here, till is a preposition. 17. This man is very popular among the children. 18. The idea is not quite clear to me. Here, to is a preposition. So, today's topic is over. I hope you will understand this topic, and if you are not, then please tell me. I will bring another video on the same topic. So please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with a new video. So bye, take care.